This is Mr. Chanchi's 1 with my cat Skidster review. Player 272C. Got the all rubber tires, bro. Shit. Traction. Look at that. Mickey Thompson's player. 4-in-1 bucket. Climb bucket, smooth edge. And then I got my other tooth bucket right here. And then you got fucking goofball. Look at this guy. God damn. So Grady for you right there. Let's go to the inside of this plate. Right here, bro. Shit. Fully loaded. AC. As you guys can see, AC. Right here. Shit. It ain't hot up in here. CB for the trucks. Radio. Shit. Look at that Bose system, bro. You guys haven't heard nothing like that. Let's get an inside sound. What's up, bro?
Blow out them seas like Firestone ties. That's why promoters put our names on prize. We spit fire. You know we've been doing this for a long time. Anytime you see us on the grind, whatever we go do, eat cheese like a mouse. Like all the stuff and leave the big house. I wanna eat good and drive a nice car. Everybody knows making money ain't hard. The shit don't last when you need some more. You gotta be ready.
My baby Cadillac Skidster right here, brother. It ain't no Skidster like this one right here. Be slumping for all you motherfuckers right here. This is the way I do it. Mr. Chanchi's 1. Check me out on YouTube.